The European seafood market remains under heavy inflationary pressure heading into May, driven by high fuel costs, supply chain disruptions, expensive freight, and tight global inventories. Most major seafood categories continue trending higher, with buyers facing limited relief heading into summer. Groundfish remains the tightest category in the market, with cod, pollock, and hake prices rising sharply due to low inventories, weak Norwegian cod fishing, and strong retail and food service demand. Frozen cod and Pacific hake prices both jumped by roughly $1 a kilo over the past month in the European market, while demand continues shifting toward fresh and frozen fillets as warmer weather reduces cured fish consumption. Norwegian farmed salmon exports remain strong despite geopolitical disruptions, supported by surging Asian demand led by China, Thailand, Korea, and Taiwan. Prices continued climbing steadily through April as the market absorbed higher freight and logistics costs, with buyers expecting firm pricing to continue through Q2. Herring supply improved significantly following strong Norwegian winter fisheries and higher quotas, boosting exports into Africa and other key markets. Mackerel remains much tighter, however, with Norwegian landings down more than 40% year over year, keeping supply constrained and prices elevated. Global tuna prices continue rising as higher fuel costs push skipjack values to multi-year highs across Bangkok, Seychelles, and West Africa. Strong canned tuna demand is keeping processors aggressive in raw material purchasing, maintaining tight global supply conditions. Shrimp markets remain elevated globally, supported by tight inventories, uncertainty surrounding the Argentine season, and rising production costs in Indonesia. Snow crab, lobster, and other premium shellfish categories continue trading at historically high levels due to constrained supply and strong food service demand. Pangasius continues gaining momentum in Europe as buyers and consumers look for more affordable alternatives to increasingly expensive groundfish species like cod and hake. Demand is strengthening particularly in Italy and France, where consumers are shifting toward fillets and ready-to-eat products, while the current economic climate and tight whitefish supply are further improving Pangasius's competitive position in the market. Octopus prices surged again during April due to reduced African catches and limited inventories, with some markets rising more than $2 a kilo in a single month. Squid markets also remain firm, particularly for premium and larger sizes, as European buyers compete for limited supply. Our recommendation is that buyers look at covering positions earlier than usual, stay flexible on alternative species where possible, and keep a close eye on freight and logistics costs as market conditions remain unpredictable. Expect pricing to stay firm through the summer, especially on whitefish, cephalopods, and premium shellfish where supply remains tight. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our 3-Minute Market Insight to stay tuned for further updates. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This has been Mariana, reminding you to buy smart and eat more seafood.